Okay, let's continue with trial balance. And this is the question we have. Journalize the following transactions, post them into the ledger, and prepare a trial balance. These are the transactions. So, first of all, we will make the journal entries for them one by one. So, first is Mohan commences business with cash 1 lakh, right? So, let's write the journal entry for this. Cash account debit to capital account. The amount is 1 lakh. Narrations also has to be written in the journal, right? Bought goods 5,000. So the second one is here. Purchases account debit to cash account. Bought goods for cash. I mean, if nothing is given, it is cash. Cash account. Here it is 5,000 and 5,000 here. The third one, sold goods to Gopal 4,000. So that's the credit sales. So here we have Gopal account debit to sales account. The amount is 4,000 rupees. Now the next entry, bought goods from Ram. Bought goods from Ram. So this is purchases account debit to Ram account. Credit purchase to Ram account. The amount is 8,000. Then the next one, paid trade expenses 2,000 rupees. So that is trade expenses account debit to cash account. This amount is 2,000, 2,000 and 2,000 here, right? Now after this, received cash from Gopal and allowed discount of rupees 50. Received cash 3,950, okay, and allowed a discount of 50 rupees. Gopal's account is how much? 4,000, right? This is Gopal to sales. So we have to receive 4,000, but now we are receiving from him cash account debit. This is 3,950, right? Discount allowed account debit, that is 50 rupees, and to Gopal account. This is the journal entry for this, 4,000 rupees, right? Okay, now the next one, paid wages 700. So that is wages account debit to cash account 700. Then you have paid to Ram in full settlement 7,700. The amount that had to be paid to Ram was 8,000. Now we are paying 7,700, means discount received is 300, right? So the journal entry for this will be like this. Ram account will be debited with the whole amount, that is 8,000, fine. To cash we are paying 7,700, so that will come, and the remaining is discount received, to discount received account, that is 300, right? Then one more transaction is there, paid rent 1,500, right? So here let's do that. Rent account debit to cash account. This is 1,500 and 1,500. Now these are the journal entries. Now from these journal entries, we have to make the ledger postings. So this one first, cash account to capital account, 1 lakh. So I have the accounts here. So in cash account, we will have two capital account, and in capital account, we will have by cash account. So the amount is 1 lakh rupees. So let's put the amount here. Here it will come. This is basically the date column here, right? So this is 1 lakh. Then the next journal entry is purchases to cash, right? So in cash you will have by purchases. By purchases the amount is 5,000, and in the purchases account you will have to cash 5,000, right? Now the next entry is this one, Gopal account to sales, right? So Gopal account you will have to sales account 4,000, and in sales account you will have by Gopal account 4,000. Fine. Then the next entry, purchases account to Ram account. Purchases account to Ram account. So in purchases you will have to Ram account. This is 8,000 rupees. And in Ram account you will have by purchases 8,000. By purchases 8,000. Fine. Now let's come to the next entry here. Trade expenses to cash. So in cash we'll have by trade expenses, that is 2,000 rupees, and in trade expenses, here it is, trade expenses to cash. So this is to cash here, this is 2,000. Fine. The next entry is here, cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Gopal account. So this will be in cash account, it will be to Gopal account, 3,950 will come, right? Because only this much is the cash, and in Gopal account we'll have by cash 3,950, and here we'll have by discount allowed, that 50 rupees, right? And there is one discount allowed account where we have to make an entry. In discount allowed account you will have to Gopal 50 rupees, right? Okay, that's it, the ledger posting for that. Now let's go to the next one, wages to cash. So in cash account we'll have by wages, that is 700, right? And in wages account we'll have to cash 700, right? So this is done. The next one is Ram account to cash account to discount received account. So let's do this. In Ram it will be to cash to discount received, right? So Ram account I have here. So in Ram account it will be to cash account to discount received account. To cash account will be 7,700, and to discount received will be 300, right? And RAM to cash to discount receipt. So in cash, it will be by RAM. It's here. In cash account, it will be by RAM account. That will be 7,700. And then we have one more account, which is the discount received account. In discount received account, again we will write by RAM, that is 300 rupees, right? That is the discount received, fine. So this entry is done. Rent account debit to cash account. So in cash account you will have by rent account. The amount is 1,500, and in rent account we'll have to cash account 1,500. So these are the ledger postings for the journal entries that we have made here. So all the all the journal entries have been posted into the ledger now. Now the next step is to balance all these ledger accounts and then proceed with the preparation of trial balance. I'll continue with this question in my next session. So in this session, we have completed the journal entries and we have done the ledger postings. The balancing of the ledger and the preparation of trial balance we will take up in the next session. So with that, I end this session. Bye.